Hello, everybody. Today is Friday, 25th of March, 2022, and now is 3:44 in New York and 2:44 in the afternoon in my hometown, in my country. Okay. Today I will not make a vlog about charting, MT5, Ichimoku, and um, uh, the normal vlog that I make. But today I will just show you the trading journal, the recap, especially the result of Ichimoku trading journal from the month of March. Okay. Now I just we go to straight to the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, this is the Ichimoku trading journal. No, sorry, not March, February. My mistake, I bet. So, I did this by myself. I made this simple Excel spreadsheet using Excel, of course. I'm just using this simple Excel spreadsheet just to record all my trading journal because supposed to be in 2022 I start from January, but somehow, some way I have a little bit difficulties during that time. So the proper recording I just can start from the month of February. Okay, especially not forget to mention the migration from MT4 to MT5. That's why it's just on the month of February I just can start to spend my time to build a proper MT5 and the proper trading journal. Okay, the reason why I am not using my FX book or MQL5, that will I will discuss it in some other time. But now today I just want to with you to discuss about the achievement from the month of February. Okay, if you can see here right away in this okay, in the side set of my shoulder, you can see the spreadsheet. I make it not really big, not really small. This is I think and I hope you can see it, all the number that I put in every column and every row. It's starting from 31st of January, and the last open trade that I made is 21st of February 2022. The reason why I just give it to you now is because some of the position that I opened from February, it still keep floating until the month of March. So not some, I think there is a 3 or 4 pair. It's been floating profit almost nearly a month. So cannot make the vlog. Of course, I cannot make the vlog and then I cannot show you because basically the trading is not up yet. And now most the trading from the month of February is finished. I close on the position. So just now I have time to make some recap and to explain it to you today. Okay, we just go straight to the Excel spreadsheet. As you can see that most not most, I mean, you can see the it's not always like a smooth sailing like that. It's gonna be always green, always profit, always make hundreds or 1,000 pips. No, it doesn't work like that. It's just like the normal daily business. I have also, this is the losing position. While I have minus $37, minus $9, minus 35, minus 84, minus 9. You can see that some some position also having this the losing position. So basically in the trading that is normal. Okay, I'm not the god of the trading, so this is the result. You can see I didn't hide anything, and this column is empty because basically I closed the trade because it's already break-even point. So I decided I closed the trade and I didn't put the number here, but basically this is only 0, 0, 0, and 0. And from the matter of size also, the size also is different. It's 0.04 lot, and then I increase it the lot until this is the maximum lot that I use with the $5,000 capital, 0.1 lot. And only this one is 0.05 because when I'm not really sure about the setup, I just put a small lot size. But when I'm sure or I have the confidence with the good setup that appear, so I decided to open with the 0.1. Okay, not forget to mention, okay, basically in my MT5 account with the NC market, I only have 5,000, but since that you know that the leverage that I have also 1 to 500, so I didn't put $10,000 in my trading account. I just put 5,000, and then I keep another 5,000 in my pocket, okay, because the leverage is 1 to 500. I don't think this is the it's necessary to put all $10,000 in my trading account because with $5,000 and I don't have really much watch list or much spare to trade. So I think $5,000 is enough. Okay, it's enough. I'll be in the safe side because the risk per trade also is not really big. I can show you that most of the minus position that I have here is under mm, under 100 pips. Okay, 100 something like that. Okay, only this one is 112 pips because it's a 0.05 lot. Okay. And this is the several last trade that I made really really quite handsome profit. $200, 150, 153, 349, and $660. So in total profit that I made is $2,226. That is from the month of February. Okay. If you talking about the risk, so I think the risk is quite minimal. I keep the risk in the reasonable level, not really having the bad risk per trade. So you can see as well this one euro Australian dollar I made 428 euro New Zealand dollar is 545. So this is a really handsome profit and I'm really happy because I'm not expecting that in the month of February I will meet 2012 2226. If you okay, I will explain you a little bit, maybe you have confused why I made this chart and chart. Basically, okay, I will show you. So gonna be make easy for you to understand. For example, this euro New Zealand dollar, okay? Basically, this gonna be linked to my other folder where I keep my picture on the screenshot from every single position. This is the from the opening, and this okay. For example, trade 18, and this is trade 18 R. That means the R is trade 18 of the result. So, example, trade 18. This is gonna be linked to the position here. Okay, this is where I open the position. You can see from the picture. This is the red arrow, and I close trade 18, and this is the trade 18. So this trade 18. Sorry. So this is the result. You can see by yourself from the chart. This is the red arrow going down here, and I close the trade here. So I made $545 or 545 points for this particular trade, Euro New Zealand dollar, 6 hour time frame. I made in the around February, the mid of February, and 15 March, I closed the trade. So it's nearly 1 month. So this is the simple explanation. If you watch my Excel spreadsheet trading journal, because when you make a trading journal, it's important to have the screenshot. So you can show the chart when you open the trade and the screenshot of the chart when did you close the trade. This is important for me because we need to learn from the mistake. Okay, of course mistakes happen, we cannot avoid it because we cannot control the market, but we can learn from the perfect setup and identify what kind of setup that we need to take when the setup is goes to our priority, because of course I have the priority for the setup that I will put zero point 0.1, and I have also the priority for the setup that maybe I will not put zero point 0.1 lot, maybe I will put less than zero point 0.1, maybe 0.05. For example, the trade of this pound sterling Swiss franc where I put only 0.05 lot. Okay, this is the this is a very simple explanation when you read my Excel spreadsheet. So this is the result from the month of February 2226. Of course, I will do the same to you also when the month of the March is coming, but of course still have another 5 days or 6 days, I think, before the March is over. Okay, that is for today, the recap my trading journal from the month of February. If you have any question about Ichimoku, or if you have confused to read my Excel spreadsheet, just put in your column comment and I will willingly to explain to you a little bit. Um, I think that is for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you another day, another vlog. Keep profit, keep healthy, and thanks for watching.